Hello, kumusta kayo dyan? Ako okay lang. Hello mga kadarling, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is your kadarling Bugoy. What's up? Yo! At dahil birthday ngayon ni Bunso, ni Zoe, ayan o, the girl in yellow shirt. Dahil birthday niya, lalafang kami. We're gonna eat somewhere. And we're gonna eat to or in the famous K-Town. Yeah, dito sa New Malden, dito sa Southwest London. Alright, let's see. Alam ko may pila, pero we'll see. So yung K-Town is a Korean unlimited barbecue. Wow! Ang sarap Korean. Annyeonghaseyo. Sarap. Biyanet. So, andito lang siya matatagpuan sa New Malden, malapit sa New Malden Southwest Railway Station. So, ayan na mga kadarling. Malapit na kami. Ayan na siya. K-Town. So, yung mga nakapila kanina, they went inside already. For us, we're going in. Let's see what's in there. So this is their opening hours, yeah. Mondays to Sundays, aside from Wednesday. Wednesday is closed. Okay, usually they're open at 12 to 4 p.m. for lunchtime and 6 to 10 p.m. for dinner time. That's the price list over there. Someone is happy. He's gonna eat a lot. Look at his hair. He's got a haircut earlier.
Zero,
and then trim
buzz cut.
and buzz cut. How do you like your haircut? Ayan, so as you can see mga kadarling, there is a queue. So hopefully we still got like chairs and tables inside. No? But we'll see. I'm excited. Are you excited? So mga kadarling, nakapila na kami. We're next in the queue. Someone's excited. So, kakamis. Alright, mga kadarling, tapos na kami magbayad. So, we're going in. Table. Wow. Amazing. So, there's a lot. Lovely.
Like 10 seconds or 5 seconds. Hold it like this. Then wait, okay? So now it's up to you.
Alright.
Yeah. And then just cook on the table. Yeah. And if you think anything, just keep it inside or bag it inside.
Happy birthday, Zoe! Yeah. So, kadarling, meron silang kimchi pancake. Yeah, kimchi pancake. That's scallion pancake, fried sweet potato, fried shrimp, soy sauce fried chicken, spicy fried chicken, side dishes but of course japchae, mga kadarling, see? Japchae, and rice. We have sauces for Western sushi. It's here. So, papakabusok tayo. So, yun mga kadarling. Ihaw na tayo. Let's grill. Yay! Someone is happy. Happy birthday, Zoe! The place is nice, mga kadarling. It's cozy. Mga kadarling, nakailang rounds na kami ng barbecue. At ito mga kadarling, nakailang rounds na ito ng kanin mga kadarling. Birthday girl. ka-darling.
Ah, this is yummy.
Try nyo. Masarap ito. Satisfying. Para, satisfy yung taste buds namin yung ka-darling isa. Yun nga lang yung lettuce dito, binibili separately, like 2 pounds. Kada ganyan. Tapos, ang drink separate, syempre kailangan mong bayaran. Pero meron naman silang tap water. Masarap naman. Yung tap water nila masarap. Parang galing Korea. Hindi na ako makahinga mga ka-darling. I cannot breathe. This one too. Grabe busog mga ka-darling.
Mami, gusto natin.
Honest review. Masarap siya. Yun nga lang, medyo pricey. Pero sulit ka-darling. Solve ka. If you're craving for like barbecue taste, come visit K-Town here in New Malden. Sulit. Anong hinihintay mo? Arap na!